Hello everyone. In next chapter, waterlogging and drainage. Question is define waterlogging, discuss cause and remedial measures of waterlogging. Send my questions asked in 2022, 2023 and probably in 2024 also in GTU exams. Waterlogging refers to excessive accumulations of water in the soils, typically due to the poor drainage or when the rate of water input into the soil exceeds its ability to drain or evaporates. This excessive water can hinder the growth of the plants, disrupt agricultural activities, and lead to various environmental and land management problems. The following are the main causes of waterlogging. First is the over irrigation. In undulations, irrigation since there is a no controlling system of water supply, it may cause over irrigation. The excess water percolates the remains stored within the root zones of the crop. Again, in perennial irrigation system, if water is applied more than what is required, then this excess of water is responsible for waterlogging. Seepage from canals. In unlined canal, if there is unlined canal, the water percolates through the banks of the canals and get collected in low-lying areas of course of the canal. Thus, the water table get raised. The seepage is more in case of canal. In the banking, inadequate surface drainage. When what rainfall is heavy and there is a no proper provision for surface drainage, the water gets collected and submerge vast area. When the condition continues for a long period, the water table is raised. Obstruction in natural water courses. In the breach or culverts are constructed across with the opening and insufficient discharge capacity. The upstream area get flooded and this causes waterlogging. Obstruction in subsoil drainage. In some impermeable stratum exists at the lower depth below the ground surface. Then the movement of the subsoil water get obstructed and this causes waterlogging in the area. Next is the nature of the soil. Some soils have lower permeability, like black cotton soil does not allow the water to percolate through it. So, in case of over irrigation of flood, the water remains in this type of land and causes waterlogging. Incorrect method of cultivations. If the agricultural land is not labeled properly and there is a no arrangement for the surplus water to flow out, then it will create pools and segments water leading to waterlogging. Seepage from reservoir. If the reservoir basin consists of a permeable zones, cracks, and fissures which were not detected during the construction of the dam, this may cause a seepage of water. This subsoils water will move forward towards the low-lying areas and cause waterlogging. Poor irrigation management. If the main canal is kept open for a long period, unnecessarily without computing the total water requirement of the crops, then it leads to over irrigation, which shall result in waterlogging. Excessive rainfall. If the rainfall is excessive and the water get no time to get drained off completely, then a pool of segments water is formed, which might lead to waterlogging. Next is the topography of the land. If the agricultural land is flat within no controlled slope and consists of depressions or undulations, then it leads to waterlogging. Occasional floods. And sometimes if area get affected by the flood every year, there is a no proper drainage system, the water table get affected and this causes the waterlogging. So these are the factors that affect the waterloggings. And thank you.